This video is for teachers at Estacada School District grades K through 8. This video will show you special codes that can be inputted into students' final grade marks that will print on report cards. Click on A+ Grading and click on Standards. In the cell of a student where you want to input a grade, click on the cell, and then on the right-hand side, click on Codes. There are two codes in here, NA and M. To see what these mean, click on Show More, and then click on the tab for Special Codes. NA is not assessed. The special code M is a standard that has been assessed, but the student has been given the opportunity to complete the work, but has not completed the assessment. If you have a student who needs to have the special code M inserted, click on the cell, then click on Codes, and click on the M. A student that has not been assessed, but you want the standard to print on the report card, you click on the cell, you click on Special Codes, and then click on NA. These are purple or blue because they are exempt from the overall final grade, but they will print on the report card. If you want to use the special code M, please check with your building administrator prior to using it, as some schools are choosing not to use it.